We'll begin the installation by protecting the work area with painter's tape. Starting at the left corner, use the short side of a wide non-marring pry tool to lift the tray above the center stack. If you don't have a non-marring pry tool, you can lift the tray with your hands. Just use your palms for leverage to lift straight up on the corner of the tray, slowly increasing pressure until the clips detach. Remove the two 7mm screws holding the front bezel. Keep the tray as low as possible to avoid damaging the tray's rear clips. Using your fingertips and palms, pull straight back on the top left of the infotainment bezel, slowly increasing pressure until the clips release. Without touching the screen, work your way down both sides of the bezel, pulling straight back to release the clips. While pressing the release tab on the harness connector, disconnect the harness from the back of the auto start-stop switch assembly. Connect the factory harness to the Autostop Eliminator, then connect the Autostop Eliminator to the switch. Once connected, feed the device through the hole where the harness is routed. Starting at the bottom, set the bezel back into place, then fully refasten it. Reinstall both 7mm screws while keeping the tray as low as possible. Press down on the tray to snap it into place. Now your last setting for auto start stop will be remembered and automatically restored.